Going to be doing my first impression about this product. Like, this product is, I don't know, I don't want to use the word overhyped, like everybody Cerave, 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 Cerave. So today I finally got a Cerave product, and I'm going to do my first impression about it. So this one I got is the acne control cleanser, 2% salicylic acid acne treatment. They say it reduces blackheads and helps prevent new breakouts, improves the look of pores, and maintains the protective skin barrier with three essential ceramides: heter- heterite clay, and the niacinamide. It has oil absorbing technology. So yeah, this is, I don't know if, I think they have bigger size, but this how many ml? This is the 237 ml of it. So I want to try this one right now to see how, if it's something that's like, let me see how the effect, my first impression. Yeah. Guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by this channel, hi, hello, welcome. My name is Noni. Don't make it your last time. Do click that red subscription button down below. Turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of my recent upload. To my returning subscribers, thank you guys for always coming back to support and watch my videos. Yeah, and please, if you end up enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, share the video, and drop your comments if you have used any of CeraVe products before, and how your body reacted, how your skin reacted to it, and if that one worked for you as well. So yeah, so this is what my face looked like, and I can see my face is very greasy, and I have so many acne breakouts. You can see I have so many acne breakouts on my face. So they say it has oil absorbing technology. So let's see. You can see the amount of oil on my face. You can see my face is very oily. So let's try it out. For us, I came out with water so that I can use it to wash my face here and now. So direction for use, they said, okay, use this. It said it clears acne blemishes and allows skin to heal. Hello. Helps prevent new acne blemishes from forming. How to use? They said use twice daily. Wet face, then work product into a lather. Massage onto face, avoiding the eyes. Rinse well. So wet face, right? So I've not opened it. I'm going to open it first. Yes, open. Why is it not open? I'll be easy open. Okay. So I'm taking this amount. I don't know. It's water is transparent, so you might not see it. Oh boy. So for some reason, it's not foaming down much. It's not lathering much. I thought it was going to be foaming down like every other cleanser, face cleanser. It's not lathering so much. I don't know if I should take more. Maybe I didn't take enough. So I think I've washed it enough now. Maybe I never wash them. So yeah, I'm done washing. So I don't know, but it didn't leave my face dry. It didn't leave my face tight. It did not leave my face tight, like feeling tight. And it didn't leave my face looking like feeling squeaky clean. Like my face feel like I still have my face still feels like I still have soap on it. It just feels like it's smooth, like I still have soap that I've not really washed out. I don't know, but I like the fact that it didn't make my face feeling dry, and my face touching my face. Let me just allow it to air dry, then I will see the how the last this thing will be. I feel like my face looks brighter. I feel like my face looks brighter. Guys, I'm looking at myself. I feel like my face looks brighter. If you watch, I didn't wash my neck. I didn't include my neck while I was washing. But I feel like my face is almost matching with my skin color, my body skin color. Like, I don't know how to explain it. So I feel like my face looks brighter after the wash, and my face did not feel dry. It is not completely dry. It is not completely dry. It is not completely dry, but my face did not feel dry, like tight. So I think it's going to be good. Like, it's going to be good. So about the acne, they say that it clears acne and it prevents acne from forming again, and also clears blemishes and allows skin to heal. So I can only talk about that one if I use it for some time. So I'm going to be using it, but they say you can use it twice a day, twice daily. But I don't think I'm going to be using it twice daily, because salicylic acid is a drying ingredient, and I think from my research recommendation said 2 to 3 times in a week, because it's an exfoliator as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using it 2 to 3 times in a week. After I finish using it, I'll come back and tell you guys what if my acne cleared, and you guys can see it as well. So, and if my face, like my blemish, is cleared. Anyway, I think the product is good. It's good. The ingredients in it are good that they use for it. Like, the active ingredients are very good. That there are things that are very effective for clearing the face, like making your face look flawless. So, but I can only tell that if I use it for a while. But for the first impression, is a good one. It's good one. It gave me clean face without. I've not moisturized my face. I've not applied anything. Just dried. It gave me a clean face without drying out my skin. So yeah, I think it's a good one for now, until when I do my next review. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know if have you used this acne control cleanser by Cerave before. How did your skin react to it? What did you notice after using it? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.